going to be learning about goods and services. And we are going to be doing something called a KWL chart. We are going to be talking about what we know about goods and services, what we want to know about goods and services, what we've learned about goods and services, and how we will learn about goods and services. So, can anybody raise their hand and tell me what they know about goods and services? It could be an example. You could give me what you know. Somebody raise their hand and tell me what they know about goods and services. Scotty?
Goods are like toys, candy, and games.
Good. Toy, candy, and game are all good. Does anybody know an example of a service that somebody might give us? Scotty?
Service could be like getting a haircut
Ooh, that's
or being served at a restaurant.
good job. Is there something that somebody would like to know about goods and services that maybe they don't know right now, Scotty?
If McDonald's is a service, is chicken nuggets a good?
Ooh. Any other questions? Any other questions? Yes. What's your other question?
Can something be a good and a service?
That is a great question. We are going to find that out in a little bit. But let's think about how will we learn about goods and services? What is something that we can do to help us learn about goods and services? Yes?
Go to stores and restaurants and talk to the workers.
Oh, yes. Where else could we learn about goods and services? Yes.
In the classroom.
Ooh, in our classroom.
I have another question actually, Mrs. M.
Yes.
Is a teacher a good or a service?
Ooh, is a teacher a good or a service? Let's think. Am I providing something to you?
Education.
Yes, so that would make me a service. Alright, now we are going to turn to page 50 in our books, and we are going to read a little about goods and services. You're going to be looking for the answers to the questions you've asked me, and we're trying to find information that we learned while reading. So, in a little bit, in about 10 minutes, we will come back together and we will discuss what we learned about goods and services. Alright, class. What can you tell me about what you've learned about goods and services? It could be the answers to your question. Yes.
Well, I learned that McDonald's would be a good if it is a service. I've also learned that
So the chicken would be a good that
oh yes, sorry.
McDonald's is providing to you.
Sorry, Mrs. M. Correct. I've also learned that something can be a good in a service if it is providing something for you.
Ooh, yes.
And that a teacher is a good in a service. Because it's providing something good for us. It's also a job.
Well, just because it's providing something good for you doesn't mean that it's a good.
Oh.
So, we've learned so much about goods and services. So, if we want something, we need to go and buy it. That would be a good. But if we want a haircut or we want food, we need to go to the services that will provide us with those things. Okay, now that we've done lots of learning, we are going to be taking a quick little quiz so that we can see what you guys have learned. So go ahead and fill out the answers to your quiz.